Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 152, Monday edition. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your Easter over the weekend. And today we jump right back into things. We've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target to increase your sales in the near future. Let's get to it. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. In the last 7 days, I did 341 sales on Amazon merch for $1,025 in royalties on the US market and what looks to be about another $200 or so from the international markets. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link to my account in the description. I post daily sales updates. By the way, I also am running a giveaway that kicked off. I'm running it with Cassie Johnson. It kicked off today. She announced it on her YouTube channel, and we're actually going to do a live stream 1 week from today on my channel and select the winners. There will be 6 winners selected. They're each going to get a $100 Amazon gift card. It's going to be a fun giveaway. It's easy to participate. It's sponsored by Creative Fabrica, so shout out to them. And I hope you'll check it out. I will link to Cassie's video in the description of this video. It has all the rules and everything. All right, let's check out the top 10 trending shirts on Amazon merch before we get to the top 5 niches. So this is what our top 10 look like. A lot of the same Taylor Swift shirts are there. The My Son-in-Law is My Favorite Child niche. I still don't know. I don't think we identified why that's selling as well as it is, but I did do a niche alert last week where I shared that with you guys because right after my top 5 niches of the week video went out, I was like, whoa, what is this t-shirt niche that's like selling really well? And yeah, that niche ended up doing a lot of sales, and I actually do believe that's niche number 1 this week. And here we are about a week later, it's still selling quite well. It looks like on the high end, the first shirt there, which is, by the way, text only design, which I love, BSR of about 6,700. So that's about as good as you could possibly hope for with any design. And you can see here with the top 10 shirts indexed on these keywords, it looks like the average BSR is probably maybe 75,000. So they're doing really well, making a ton of sales in this niche. And I would just go ahead and pat myself on the back for that niche alert. Anybody that subscribes to my YouTube channel and has the bell icon enabled, I'm sure you guys have made some sales in this niche. Let me know in the comments if you did, because I'm willing to bet quite a few people did. All right, niche number 2 this week is going to be the military kids. Those are the search terms I used to grab the purple for military kids, month of military children. Obviously, the color purple shirts are what you're going to want to hone in on, or a different color shirt with a purple design. We've kind of talked about this for a few weeks in a row, but the peak sales for the military kids sub niche is going to be right now, basically. So definitely, if you haven't entered this niche and you want to make some sales over the next few days, I mean, we're looking at less than a week. I believe the date associated with this was April 15th. You would have already wanted to be in this niche. But again, if you're in tier 10 and you're just going from trend to trend to trend, you want to be here in this niche right now. Niche number 3. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, guys, quick plug. My free print-on-demand course delivered via email over the duration of 3 weeks is available. The link's in the description. I do hope you'll check it out. I rewrote the entire thing this year, and it is, I mean, it's quite valuable, and it's completely free. I just need your email address. Link in the description. Also, a link to my print-on-demand Facebook group in the description as well if you're not already a member. Niche number 3 this week. So we mentioned last week a lot of the Trump related niches were being resurrected, by all the news coverage. A lot of the, by the way, the Trump niches that people are actually spending money on that we can see through, Amazon and the BSRs and whatnot. Definitely, I would think it's safe to say predominantly pro-Trump. So if you're going to go down the, Trump shirt, Trump merch, whatever, and try to make money there, you're probably going to do better just selling to the people that, want to wear a pro-Trump design on their shirt. As you can see here, niche number 3 is, and I forgot to update the text on the slide, but Take America Back. That is the phrase that I searched for in order to get this specific, and I don't know why, but that the third design on the bottom row just says indigenous. So somehow that is also indexed on Take America Back. Oh, okay, I got it. Indigenous. Got it. Didn't have to be a Trump shirt. By the way, that little like red box white text design, that's kind of a looking at it's kind of like a play on the Supreme brand logo. I would not do that, especially on Amazon merch. But anyways, niche number 3 is Trump Take America Back. Perhaps that'll be his like 2024 running slogan. So if that's the case, you know, getting a design in early and making some sales now, you know, ahead of the big, you know, run up for politics and whatnot that's going to come inevitably, that's, you know, got some major upside. I'm just saying, like, if that's his slogan, I don't even know because I don't really pay attention, but like whoever's indexed on this already is going to see a massive uptick. And I'm pretty sure it's been a while. Like, I haven't tried to run ads on anything like political related because I just kind of steer clear of these niches. I'm not lying when I say I'm pretty much just in safe evergreen niches myself personally because I'm trying to keep my account safe. But like, I'm pretty sure they don't let you run ads on politics on Amazon. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know why I'm blanking on this today. But if you can't run ads on politics, that means that the people who rank right now ahead of the, you know, politics and 2024 election drum up stuff, they're going to be in a really good position. So this is something that y'all should take seriously, especially if it's already got demand. Looks like the average BSR in the top 10 is, well, we don't know the top 10, top 9 is about 100K. All right. And on the high end, you got a BSR of 54,000. All right. Niche number 4 this week. Weed. I just typed in weed because we do have 420, 10 days away from the release of this video. So the marijuana themed shirts. Also notice the lack of actual green shirts. So how about just understanding, hey, like the marijuana leaves are green. Why don't we flip the design and just make a white foreground, put it on a green shirt. And that could be a nice way of standing out from your competition here. You can see in the top 10 though, by the way, not a coincidence, like when the top 10 is all on black shirts, I mean, it is kind of telling you, hey, it's customer preference. So if you want best sellers, you're probably going to do best on the black shirts. But that being said, you know, not everything that you submit has to be a bestseller. And statistically speaking, they won't be, right? We know that. There's only one bestseller in every niche, right? But you could even say, let's just call these 10 the best sellers. They're all on black shirts. So you might be able to just carve out some sales, low-hanging sales by not using black shirt and just doing green shirts. Just thinking out loud here since we know the color green is associated with this holiday. All right, and here's another example, by the way, of Podley giving you some keywords to focus on. They give you focused keywords and long tail keywords here. So that can be useful for running ads, but also for just what keywords to target in your title, your bullets, etc. Niche number 5 this week. How about this? Sign my shirt. It's my birthday. Now, one of these popped up when I was just doing a general scroll without actually looking and typing in something to search for specifically. A lot of times I just scroll through the best sellers to see what's there. And this shirt popped up, the first one right there with the 91,000 BSR. And I was like, man, that's an ugly design. But I was like, oh, it makes sense. So it's a black shirt, but you just fill in the rectangle where the design can go. It's actually probably a pretty terrible idea because that means it's going to get printed onto the black shirt. And anytime you print white onto a black shirt, unless you have really good printers, it tends to not typically result in the best quality print. There are ways around making it like actually quality, but I'm just guessing this probably won't end up, you know, that great. But that being said, you know, we don't have to deal with returns for Amazon merch, even though returns do get debited from our account. But anyways, it's my birthday, sign my shirt. I actually like this concept for a birthday shirt. It's one that I've never seen before, but again, as a t-shirt seller, I like the idea. So perhaps something that y'all could run with. BSRs are, you know, they're decent. They're okay. Like 200K, I'd say is probably the average BSR, if not maybe 250K. But also, I just wanted to mention my birthday is tomorrow, April 11th, and my birthday sale, where my print on demand course is 20% off, which is my maximum discount. It ends tomorrow, April 11th at midnight. So if you guys are interested, I know if you're on my email list, you've seen me plug it a few times. That will stop with the sale ending. But if you want to take advantage, the link in the description has a ton of information. If you need more information, just email me, ryan@ryanhogue.com. I'll get back to you. I'm happy to do that. But check that out, guys. Linked in the description. Sale ends tomorrow at midnight. All right. So here you go. It's my birthday. Sign my shirt. These birthday shirts, you know what I mean? They see pretty much a lot of swings up and down in terms of BSR history, as you'd expect, because, hey, our birthdays are all pretty well dispersed across the duration of a year, as you would expect. Not really holiday related. All right. Emerging trends. These are shirts that have seen a big jump in BSR recently. You've got a My Son-in-Law is My Favorite Child shirt. You've got a Mario shirt for autism awareness. That's a trap. I wouldn't be selling that. Some Jesus shirts. You've got the Trump looking like a gangster with the 17,000 BSR. It's kind of crazy there. So the Trump stuff we already said is seeing a big uptick in demand. Some more autism awareness stuff. All right, looking ahead, if you want to sell shirts related to random holidays, May 9th, National Teachers Day. All right, National Teachers Day. We know teachers teaching see a ton of sales across the board for print-on-demand products, gifts, shirts, etc. The next day, May 10th, School Nurses Day. May 11th, Eat What You Want Day. May 12th, Daycare Provider Day. And May 14th, Mother's Day. So don't forget Mother's Day also coming up. And then Father's Day as well. If you see my video with Cassie Johnson, we talk about the giveaway we're doing. It is a Father's Day themed giveaway where you get to share with us at least one of your Father's Day themed designs that you create using Creative Fabrica. So check that out. Again, we're giving away 6 $100 Amazon gift cards. Pretty good odds, honestly. I checked how many people have entered before I started recording this video, and there's a decent number of people that have entered, but I know a lot more are going to enter over the next week as well. But I'm just saying, if it froze right now, you'd have pretty good odds of having a chance at getting one of those gift cards. All right, the archive. These are shirts that were trending 11 months ago. So I used the calendar, and I picked 11 months ago in Podley, hopefully showing us if there's repetition year over year in some niches, that these may be perhaps trending about 1 month from now. Also, don't forget the birds aren't real niche is trademarked. All right, so... All right, removed designs. Here we go. Don't know why they were removed. I can guess. D12, I know that's a rap group. Football aunt, who knows if they had a bad keyword in there associated with football. Anyways, so those are some removed designs over the last 2 weeks. These were removed. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Again, my print-on-demand course is on sale for another day. It's linked in the description. I hope you'll take advantage. Honestly, it's updated for 2023. It's awesome, and people are loving it. The feedback I've got so far on the updates has been great. Thank you for watching, though. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.